I was sent this screen door by AUGO, and I've never had one like this before, so I was really excited to get started and put it up. I couldn't believe how easy it was to do. It really only took us about 20 minutes, and that included cleaning the door frame before we attached it there. So all you have to do is attach the Velcro to the screen, and then you attach that to the door frame, and it has the Velcro that's really sticky, so it will just stick on there. And they also give you some tacks that you can use to put through the first layer of Velcro into the door to keep it more sturdy if you need that, which we did choose to use those, and I'm glad we did. I just could not believe how easy it was. Now we can just walk in and out of that door, and it closes behind us instantly with the magnets. One of the main reasons we wanted this is because we have a big dog that is always wanting in and out, and we didn't want to do a dog door because she's so big. This was an easy, quick way to have that where she could walk through. I was unsure of how it would go with her because she can be a little timid about new things, but it really only took her a couple of minutes after installing the door to go through it, and she would almost leap through it at first. But after a few days, she started just calmly walking through it, and she now loves being able to go in and out as she pleases. It's really the perfect solution for that, and it doesn't let so many bugs inside as like leaving the door open did. We are really impressed with the screen door. It fits our needs perfectly. It is really great quality as well. Really love this product. I'm so glad that we got this, and we're gonna get a lot of use out of this. 5 out of 5 stars for sure.